Hello, this is river middle course. The river enters the plain. It was flowing in the upper course and it comes down. So in India we have Haridwar, where the river Ganga enters the plain. So what are the landforms formed by river in its middle course? Here in this diagram you can see the to and fro movement of the river channel across its plain results in developing this meander, S-shaped meander. So here you can see this meandering. This is common to all rivers of large size. The word meander is derived from the name of a small winding river, Meanders, in Turkey. The stream flow being slower, the load becoming heavier. So it starts winding. The speed becomes less, so it feels heavy to carry such the loads. So they starts depositing the load it has been carrying on the sides. This is what happening in the middle course. The stream being slower, the load becoming heavier. It starts winding, first cutting at the one bank and then eroding at the other. So that is why you find this meander shape. So on one side you find it erodes. That bulging side it takes and this side it deposits. So this happens alternatively. So the loss of cutting power makes the stream avoid the obstruction created by its own silt load in its path of it. It cannot remove it easily. This causes a bend in the river when it goes round such an obstruction. So that is why you find the river meandering. The current is always stronger and deeper on outer side of the bend, while sediments are deposited at its inner side. Where I have written levees. Levees are the deposits of the river. It's like a natural embankment of the river. The sediments form the natural embankment for the river. The eroded bank starts retreating, making the bends sharper until loops are formed. So the lower river plain is characterized by an excess deposit of the load on the floor of the channel because of the reduction in its carrying capacity of the slow moving stream. So the speed of the river becomes less here and deposition takes place more. The stream which thus gets divided into a network of channels forming bars of sand and islands known as braided stream. So in some rivers you find this braided because the deposits it brings. Sometimes what happens, the deposits become heavier. So the river gets diverted. So you find the river flows around those island formation. This kind of formation is called braided stream. In this diagram we find meanders. The river meanders. So you find levees which are the natural the deposits which form natural embankment. Oxbow lakes, and you find here the floodplain. That is the deposits brought by the river make the floodplain. So the river which was flowing here leaves the deposits and makes a level land. That is floodplain. Now the same thing is given here. Let's see this. This is a regular flow of river. So you find the river deposits sediments on the sides. So these are all deposits. And the river changes its course as and when there is a addition of volume of water. So what happens? It changes the course. It erodes from one side and deposits. It erodes from one side and deposits here. Then because of the volume of water and the loads it carries, it changes its course. So here you can find it makes a turn like this. So here the deposits are made and here the deposits are made. So the river takes this turn and flow like this. Then what happens? Here there is a pile of deposits. So the river, the water flows this way and this way. Then these sediments, that is the levees, they become an obstacle for the river which was flowing this side to come back. So they will not follow this course, because these sediments become an obstacle. So they get the water gets collected here. So it is, this part of it is separated from the main thing. So here you find this shape of lakes. So this is called Oxbow Lake because it looks like ox foot. So that is why it is named as Oxford Lake. So here this area is cut off from the main area, and here you find the sediments collected here. So this becomes an obstacle for this part of the river to get back to its original course. So these are the landforms formed by river in its middle course. So river meanders, it forms plain, floodplain, levees, oxbow lakes. In some of the rivers form this braided stream because the deposits are collected there in between. So that they divide the that is, the course of the river is obstructed by this, so they flow like this. This you see in Assam. The Kaziranga sanctuary is situated in one of the islands here in Assam. That is, you can find this kind of form there, and this is the formation of this meandering and oxbow lakes, levees, and floodplain. Then the river further goes towards seaside. So that is the lower course. We'll see in the next video.